Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and battery type so you know what to open and what to expect. Once done, remove the back cover using the correct screwdriver and look for obvious corrosion, loose connectors, or swollen cells. Make sure to disconnect the battery before probing. This prevents shorts. Next, check the charging port and cable for debris and broken pins. If the port is dirty, use compressed air and isopropyl swab to clean it carefully before any further testing. You now diagnose the charging circuit to find the real fault. Measure the battery open circuit voltage. If it's near zero but not swollen, the battery may be deeply discharged. Then apply 5V from a known good supply to the charging input and check for voltage at the charge IC input and output. This isolates whether the regulator is failing. Make sure to test the fuse and MOSFET for short or open conditions, and inspect solder joints under good light or magnification. You complete repairs by replacing the faulty component you identified, port, IC, fuse, or battery, using exact spec parts and proper soldering technique. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and apply a controlled charge. Monitor temperature and voltage for the first 2-3 hours to ensure normal behavior. Make sure to test keyboard functionality while charging and after a full charge cycle. If charging still fails, try a known good battery or cord. If that doesn't help, the next step is professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.